Take two. Hi, Mom. Zora and my weekend project this week is to make a video about how I do multi-track recording. And so for this video, we're going to be recording into GarageBand. I know you have GarageBand. There are some other things that I use sometimes, including this device, which is a Tascam 8-track recorder. It's a digital 8-track recorder. I use that quite a lot. But we'll be using a software DAW, or DAW as they say, for this. You can use the built-in microphone. I'm not going to be using my built-in microphone. I'm going to be using some better microphones with this device. This is called this is a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It's a USB input device. I have another one that I've used in the past. It's not quite as good. That is this Behringer device. You can see it's USB on that end, and then some RCA inputs. So I will show you how I use the Scarlett and what my setup is. We're going to keep it very simple because making a video makes everything more complicated. So we're just going to be recording Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I've got my bass and my violin and my guitar and glockenspiel, and we're going to be doing an arrangement with that and maybe some synthesized percussion. All right, now I'm going to show you my setup, how I've connected things. We're going to start with a rhythm guitar track over a click track. So here is my guitar, and I've got this electric pickup on the guitar. Now there's a number of ways I could go directly into the computer from this pickup. I could just plug into my direct box, or I could go into my amp, and my amp could connect it right into my direct box. But instead, I am playing my amp into this microphone, and the microphone is going into the direct box. So here is the microphone going into the USB interface, and that's connected to my computer. And I've armed this first track here. So this first track is recording from the microphone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the arrangement simple. I'm just going to record a couple of amps and then use those as a loop. So hopefully I'll be able to do that in well enough that it'll work for a loop and I don't have to play through the whole song. For the bass guitar, the setup is almost the same. The one difference is I've added this into the mix. This is a preamp, and what I've done is I've set it up kind of compressed, kind of a little bit grungy sound. So that's what I'm going to be using to record the bass. Glockenspiel. This is an isolation shield. It's not going to stop the sound of traffic going by outside or people talking in the next room, but it will damp down some of the echoes you might get that makes it sound like you're in a room and not a studio. The violin.
To say hi, and also I'm so excited that you're gonna come and stay with us for a little while, and I wish you could be here sooner.
For the MIDI part, I'm using this little device here, which takes a MIDI cable in and routes it to a USB so I can run that into the computer. And I can make crazy sounds from my keyboard like this. Oh, I'm playing this, I can do this on MIDI. I'm playing this at half speed because I'm not that great a piano player. So I'll let you hear what that sounds like played at half speed. Alright, now I've got a tape that I mostly like, but it's got a few mistakes, but that's the cool thing about MIDI is I can fix them and change them. First, let's hear it. Oh, there, I accidentally hit that note next to the one that I wanted. So I'm going to press on it. There, now it's highlighted, and press delete, now it's gone. Here's another one here. That's gone. So this chord here, I hit it kind of weakly because I wasn't sure I was going to be in the right place. It's in the right place, but I want it to sound stronger. So I hit this button here, and now I've got the velocities. Alright, let's see how that sounds. Much stronger. In fact, a little bit too strong. Let's try it. One last feature of GarageBand I want to talk about is loops. You see the loop menu here. When you open it up, you get a whole menu of professionally recorded sound samples. You can preview them here or just drop them underneath your track anywhere like there. To extend the loop out, grab here, out like that, and there you go. You can start layering different sounds and making I should have just ended it with layering different sounds.